Happy birthday dong, Peter. Hinaotan ko, hindi ka mapula ng tabang sa nagigikanan. Sabi na si Papa. Kaya sa kinakihanan sa Pilipinas siya mga tambal. Salamat usab sa mga tabang sa mga maigsuon. Bisig kinamay lang, okay na kayo niya na. Wala may problema na ang among ating problema atong ginikanan. Sa ito pag kaya sa sa kinabuhi. Ikaw po, daan tayo dyan sa Ginoo, may lawas permi sa imong malakaw. Kasi naman dapit. Hinaot ko, gaan grasya permi sa imong malakaw ka na. Hanggang salamat, Peter.
Happy birthday, Ter. Salamat kay Peter sa imong support sa imong pamilya.
Hi Uncle, happy birthday Uncle. Stay positive lang gihapon bisag busy sa work o dapat palipay yun ta permit. Kumping, love you.
Happy birthday, Uncle Peter. Thank you sa pag-treat na mo and thank you sa pagpalipay nimo sa moa. And thank you sa pag-support na mo. Mora to kung maingon, happy birthday. And Mora, thank you sa tanan and happy birthday, Jude.
Happy birthday, Ter! Wishing you many more birthdays to come. Stay blessed and enjoy your day. Again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Peter. Salamat sa imong support sa atong pamilya. Og ni papag mama og namo nga naati sa panimalay. Hinaot pa nga imong lawas dili nimo pasagdan. Always plan jud ka nga magkuan sa imong kaugalingon, mag-amping. Ug kay salamat, God bless. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Peter! Wish you all the best. Ingat ka palagi. And God bless. Love, love.
Birthday greetings from Iceland. Happy birthday, Peter. Peter Potter. Happy birthday, Peter. Enjoy your birthday. Mwah, mwah.
Happy birthday, Uncle Peter. God bless. We love you. Thank you. Tara mo, thank you.
Blankis.
Kanang si Lokra. Ari na diri. Ari naman na magkanan na magay-pikon ni Lokra.
Hi.
Inahay.
Hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Babay na.
Say hi, baby.
Nani tapan. Plikis. Plikis ano. Alasan nga.
Shit, ang ganda ko. Hi, Kuya Peter. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo is more happiness, good health, and syempre alam mo na yon. I love you always. Enjoy your special day and ingat ka palagi. Love you, mwah.
Happy birthday, Uncle Peter. Thank you so much. We love you all.
Happy birthday, Uncle Peter. Thank you for taking care of us and giving us some food in here. Thank you for taking care of Lolo and Lola and to us. We love you. Happiest birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday, my dear. Wish you all the best and good health. And thank you for support for our father and mother. For your support. Salamat kayo na niya. Ikaw kayo nga mong nagkuha na mo karon na kuha na kusog na mabuhay pa kayo Dominicana. Salamat kayo Manoy. Thank you. Always. Love you.
Hi teacher, wishing you a very happy birthday. Enjoy it.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Peter, wish you have a very happy birthday with your families and friends. Samaheyo.
Hi Ma, happy birthday. thank you for the love and support. And thank you for the 9 years of friendship. Ang dami natin pinagdaanan. Sobra like masaya, malungkot, umiyak, mga tampuhan. Pero alam naman natin kasama talaga yun. I'm wishing you all the best kasi you deserve it. And may the Lord grant all the desires of your heart. And I know na ibabalik lahat ng Panginoon sa'yo, lahat ng blessing na binibigay mo sa ibang tao at sa family mo. Nakita namin yung love and support mo sa family mo. Kaya you deserve a better life. And sana matupad mo pa lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Because I know na marami ka pang pangarap para sa pamilya mo at para sa'yo, ma. I love you so much and I'm always be here for you. I love you. Enjoy your vacation there in Cebu. See you again soon. Happy birthday.
Hi Peter, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and successful in life. And also I wish you more boys to come because you're already now 40 years old. Welcome to the club. Welcome to 40 years old. And thank you so much for always there to support our parents, especially to Papa for the dialysis. And thank you so much kay bisag unsa ka lisod wa jud minimo biyae. Ikaw jud ang the best brother in the whole world. Kay wa jud ka ditalikod sa atong ginikanan. Kay kung dili tungod nimo wala na ron si Papa. Yung handle jud ka pag ayo. In spite nga bisag lisod kay ba ko lisod na kay para niyo pero wa jud nimo gipakita nga naglisod ka. Wa nimo gipa-feel na mo nga lisod ka. So I know in deep inside pasolindero na ka pero nilaban na gyapon ka. I really proud of you, Bayot. Dili man kay ko show way pero love jud kayo tika, love ka na mo tanan. We all love you so much, Peter. Ang ako lang dyan, be strong lang dyan. Nakaba ko sa imong sige smile sa tanang tao, pero deep inside sakit. Nadyo kay inanakit, pero di alam ko nabilid mo kay dili dyan mo ipakita. Ang nakita niyo strong dyan kapag katao. Manandagan kayo niya, buutan pa dyan kistanan. Friendly. Manandagan kayo tao, abiban ni mo Bayot. Bisag nga pa mo backfight ni mo. Bisag maldita, also maldita man ka, pero matinabangon nga maldita. Doon dyan anawaan mo. Thank you so much, Peter. I love you. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Peter. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Kuya Peter. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Wish you more blessing in life and good health. Thank you for all the things we've been through, especially memories in Hong Kong. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Peter. Love you. Love yan.
Love yan. Super love namin ikaw.
Hi, Kuya Peter. Happy birthday. I wish you a very happy and joyful year ahead. Happiness and peace of mind in this new age and beyond. May you live a long and beautiful life. Thank you for everything in supporting our family, especially to our parents, and I'm so thankful to have you as my brother. You're the very best brother I've ever had, because you made my life worth living and fight for my sake and make possible and make possible the impossible. just like our experience in Hong Kong. Experience and memories in Hong Kong will never forget. Just want to let you know, you mean so much to me. No matter the distance, no matter the difference, and no matter the issue. Thank you for being you. And always remember, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and love more than you know. Wherever you are, you'll always be in my heart. I love you so much, always and forever. Happy birthday, Kuya Peter. I love you. Amping kanunay diha sa imong trabaho. Oh, may the God bless you and give you good health. Keep safe always. I love you.
5, 6, 7, 8. Happy birthday to you. Hi Peter, happy birthday. So this is your day. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay sassy. Enjoy your stay with your family in Cebu, and we will wait you to come back with more exciting choreographies and workout. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Petra. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Petra. Hi, Zai. Happy 40th birthday sa'yo. Okay. Ayan. 40 na ka, Zai. 40 na ka, Zai. Gores na ka. Bitaw, Zai. Akong wish for you is, I hope matagpuan mo na yung forever mo dyan sa Cebu soon. Ni kauli ni mo. And I'm so proud of you sa tanan achievements ni mo. Especially sa sacrifice nimo sa imong family, especially sa imong papa. Proud ko nimo ana nga part, bisag maldita ka, pero about sa imong family, tumalaban ka zay, pariharat sang zay. And then thank you for always being there for me always as well sa mga times na panahon na sad ko. Ikaw akong happy feel day kay imong now murag tar-share day. I love you, Peter. Di na nako padako na kong message nimo kay kabaw kang love tika bisag magsigitag permig away, pero anak man jud mga friends. And then I love you, and then maura to akong wish nimo day, and then good health, and then stay happy. Not only for you but for your family as well. Stay Tarsher as you are, kay parehang mugnaw ni Tarsher. Love you. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Peter. Thank you for supporting our family, my papa, and we wish you all goodness. I love you. Happy birthday, Peter. I wish you many boyfriends there.
Happy birthday, Peter. Now you are 40 years old now. And we wish you to be good boy, really. Oh, thank you. Thank you for your birthday, Peter.
Thank you. Usa pa man? Wala na?
Wala, gusto na eh.
Go.